Hello again, everyone. I'm here with Chris Lewis from Travelogix at the Business Travel Show. Really exciting for us. Today we're launching the 4th edition of our Global Business Travel Review, which is a hugely valuable report. It's where we mix up all of the anecdotal reports we get from members right around the world, from our industry partners, with some of the cold, hard data that we get from our partners at Travelogix.
Yep. It's like all of the information that we're seeing in this particular report, in the 4th report. It's the first time where we've seen positive metrics for the past 12 months as well, or for the past 6 months. So average transaction values are up, volumes are up. We're within 90% of recovery, or within 10% of recovery, I should say. And advanced booking periods are much better than we've seen before. Trip lengths, and yeah, it's all good news is what we're seeing. So yeah,
absolutely. And it's really interesting, we're starting to see some of the trends that we've been talking about for so long relating to traveller well-being, sustainability, starting to manifest themselves in the data. So do please have a look at the report. There's a link underneath this post for you to have a look at it. You can find it on the Advantage website. We're going to be talking in a bit more detail later on to Andy Hoskins from Business Travel News and going through in more detail some of the metrics in the report. And actually it's available for our Advantage members to brand and share with your own corporate customers now as well. So if you want any more information on that, do please get in touch with us and let us know. And we'll look forward to talking to you a bit more later on.